Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys the approximate value for my Sephora Playbox from the month of February. Sephora's theme for the month of February was Love Struck Beauty. Obviously Valentine's Day, everyone's going for that lovey-dovey theme. As always, every Sephora Playbox comes with this little handy-dandy pamphlet. It includes a little card for 50 extra beauty insider points when you purchase something within the month, and then this folds out. I love it so much, and it tells you everything that you got in your box, why they picked it, and how to use it. They are still sticking with these weird little crinkly plastic zippy bags, which that's how I feel about that. Moving on to products, we got a little perfume sample this month. This is Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I know this is a very popular perfume. It is just not for me. It turns way too florally and disgusting on me, so I'm not a huge fan of this. The first full-size product that I got are these Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I just had one pair in here, and I was originally kind of skeptical just because my under eyes are a mess. They're a travesty. They look terrible, so I did not think this was going to be able to solve that problem. And also I kind of feel like the trend of putting gold in makeup and in skincare is kind of like a little scam just to kind of up the price, get you to pay more. It's really not like that much better with the gold, and it really doesn't do that much. So anyways, I was kind of skeptical, but I was amazingly pleasantly surprised with these. Really the only thing that's gold is the outside, so it kind of looks like a foiled gold under eye mask. But then the nutrients and moisturizer or whatever stuff that they put on the back side of the little eye mask that actually sticks to your eyes actually worked incredibly well. Now I don't know if I would repurchase these, even though I really did like them, just because it is $25 or $26 for a 6-pack. So that's a little pricey, and there are definitely comparable under eye masks that you can buy at like the drugstore. I know e.l.f. has some really good ones. I just got some amazing Pixi by Petra under eye masks, and I'm really excited to try those out. So I don't know if I would repurchase, but I did really like it. And like I said, it's about $25 for a 6-pack of these, so this single pack is worth about $4.12. Next up is this Fresh Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream with Vitamin A Fruit Complex. I enjoy this. I would not say it has like magically transformed my skin, but it has definitely made it look kind of like healthy and glowy even when I'm feeling super dead and gross. So I do like that. I don't know if I would repurchase simply because it's a little bit expensive, but it is nice. The approximate value for this tiny sample is about $6.04. So again, don't know if I would repurchase because that's a little pricey. I love Bite Beauty, and I love getting Bite Beauty in my play boxes. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. That's not how you say it. I can't pronounce things. In the shade Maple. I'm not wearing it right now because it is definitely a bit more red than it looks in the tube. Like, it is very mapley red. It's super duper pretty, but it does not go with my going to school aesthetic right now because this is very red and very bold, but it is such a gorgeous color and I cannot wait to wear it. And I just love the formula. Like, this is probably one of the best lipstick formulas on the market if you're looking for a regular lipstick, not a, you know, liquid to matte, whatever kind of lipstick. The Amuse Bouche lipsticks are incredible, amazing, super hydrating, last for forever. I love them. I don't know, I'm still showing you this, but love it. And the value on these little guys is pretty good as well. This is worth about $8.43. I also got this little Clinique Quickliner for Eyes Intense, and this is just in 09 Intense Ebony. It's just a dark black eyeliner. It's okay. It doesn't really smudge out super well, so it's not like amazing for that. This is probably just kind of like a waterline liner, which is okay. It's just not something that I normally use, so I cannot see myself getting a ton of use out of this. But this is actually about half of the full size, so the approximate value is around $9. And then last but not least, the last product is also a Clinique product, which is kind of a bummer. This is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-Hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator. I don't especially love getting repeat brands in the same box, and especially considering the fact that I literally just got this exact same product, I want to say a box or two ago. I find this really super disappointing, and it just kind of sucks. I did like the product, but I feel like the whole point of the Sephora play boxes is for you to try different products, and the fact that I got the exact same products either a month apart or 2 months in a row, you know what I mean, is just kind of a bummer, and I wish they had switched it up a little. Now obviously I have not opened this one because I am still working on the one from the last box, but I did really like this. This is again their Moisture Surge Moisturizer. It does work really well. It is nice. It is not 72 hours. That is such a bold claim. That is not true. It's a couple hours, like maybe 12 max of moisture and hydration, but it is very nice. It's just, again, not something that I would repeat buy, so it kind of sucks that we repeat got it in a box. But anyways, rant over, the approximate value is about $5.46. So for those of you that were not keeping score, that brings the approximate value of the Sephora February Play Box up to about $33.10, which is not too shabby. I love the Bite Beauty lipstick, so that honestly kind of makes the whole box worth it. And I loved the Wander eye masks as well, which definitely really surprised me. So overall, okay month. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Definitely make sure you check me out down in the down bar. On all of my socials, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram are all at Eyeleah, EYELEAH. I would love to see you there. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.